Bet 'em, beat 'em, bet 'em, beat 'em. Acrylic marker kit. 24 pack here. And I got these to see if they will work for 3D prints. So let's find out. These are all of our colors on here. All right, let's start off small. We're gonna do the eyeballs first. So let's go. That actually looks pretty good. Marker works better than I do. All right, now let's get a dark green going for this guy. Not sure if that's supposed to be a frog or a lizard. Reptile of some sort. Feel like green should work just fine either way. Wow, that is weirdly smooth. Works super well. I am actually very surprised by how well this is turning out. That looks really good. I am very impressed with that. And just one layer. That looks solid. All right, let's try out a different color on here. Ooh. The caps don't really click into each other. So that's one thing that I will say I do not like. And it doesn't tell you the name of the color on here, unless I'm just blind, but it shows you the color. So, all right, let's try a different green, a little bit lighter green. Cap still doesn't really go on here. And this is already dry to the touch. That is awesome. All right, another green. This is a much lighter green. And you can see with the 3D print, we've got these little ridges. This doesn't really have that hard of a time getting into them. You just kind of got to go at a little bit of a different angle, and gets in there just fine. Not having nearly the issues that I thought I would. And I know it seems probably redundant to say, but works just like a regular marker. And we're gonna go thin one now. Kind of get a little more into the crevices here. And the thin one gets into the in-between space on the lines just as easily as the bigger one did. No issues at all here. Bear in mind, this is my first time picking up any kind of, I'm gonna say paintbrush, but markers or anything colorful since art school, or not art school, but art class in school. Honestly, I'd be happy with it just like that. We're gonna test out just one more color though. Like I said, it's been a while since I've done art class, so don't judge my ability to color in the lines. let's give this guy a little bit of color, huh? I love how smooth this goes on. And just do lines. All right, so I would say for 3D prints, these markers work fantastic. I don't see any reason why you should have any issues with pretty much any material that you want to use these on. That worked great. Instantly dry. Absolutely love this. And the colors are very sharp. I'm for sure going to be getting more of these. I would highly recommend you guys get them.